In today's video, I'll be showing you how to mute the S Pen on your Samsung Galaxy S9 tablet. So you'll notice that whenever you go to use the S Pen, it produces a sound. Now, if you're tired of that sound, all you need to do is open Settings, and under Settings, scroll down until you find Advanced Features. Tap on that. Then select S Pen and scroll down until you find the option More S Pen Settings. Here you should see sounds. So if you want to remove the sounds coming out from your S Pen, what you need to do is tap on the toggle and it will be turned off. So when you go to write something down or when you want to draw something, you'll notice that the S Pen is now quiet. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.